Every man must know how to destroy a woman's ego. Some people will call this toxic, but they don't live in reality. Almost every woman has an inflated ego because of online. She has been worshipped and getting attention as if she is the most extraordinary creature walking this planet, treated like a goddess, and showered with praise only for existing. Think about that for a second. How would you feel if you were worshipped daily for no reason? Your ego would get out of control, and you would become cocky. Here is the reality. If you don't know how to humble women, you will be treated like any other sin. She will not see the difference between you or any one of her worshippers. Here, we will go over 6 rules to destroy her ego. Number 1. You are superior. If you are a hard-working man constantly improving, you should feel superior to women who do nothing with their lives except try to look good. It's natural to feel this way, and it is necessary to destroy her oversized ego. People will say this is toxic, but here is the truth. Women look at most gods as inferior. She considers saints and average guys to be beneath her level. However, when the tables turn and a man feels superior, people will call it toxic. At the same time, women are hypergamous. This means that they are innately attracted to and gravitate toward better guys. She will lose interest in you if she feels you are equal to or below her level. The politically correct thing to say is that we are all equal and should see each other that way. The reality is that it's unnatural to consider someone your equal if you outperform the person in every field of life. Imagine going to the gym and training like an animal. After that, work your job and do a side hustle. Would you consider a lazy bum playing video games and fapping all day your equal? You could say you do if you want to be politically correct. But deep down, you don't. It's the same for an attractive woman with nothing else to offer. Sure, she may look good, which has value to a man, but it's nothing compared to the daily effort and hard work many guys put in. When you feel superior, you consciously and subconsciously regard her as nothing special, or her life has been put on a pedestal, but this might be the first time someone doesn't do it. It will deflate her ego and bring her back to reality. Number 2. Don't seek her validation. Many guys have become so feminine that they seek validation from girls. They will ask her what she thinks about his gains, his hair, or perhaps something else about his looks. Some guys will even ask a girl if she loves them. If you do this, you behave not as a man but as a little worm. Any masculine and confident man would never do this. He does not need to seek validation from women as he is satisfied. It does not fish for her compliments or wonder what she thinks about everything. Seeking approval from a woman is the number 1 way to inflate her ego to the moon. Leave craving for approval to women. Number 3. Don't be so eager to be with her. Most guys get too excited when they get a chance to meet an attractive woman. This also shows they like a higher purpose, as discussed before. Listen, you don't both chase each other when you are the overly excited one. You leave her no room to be excited about you, forcing her to take a back step. This also inflates her ego. However, when you know how to control yourself and your desires, she will have the space to get excited about you instead. There will be moments when she'll start to wonder if she is the only one that feels this way. She may ask you if you aren't happy to see her. When that happens, don't lose control of yourself and start running your mouth about how you were dreaming about her. Keep it calm. This will keep her ego in check. Number 4, prioritize your goals above her. As a man, your purpose should always come first. Most guys nowadays don't have a sense or throw their entire schedule out the window to see an attractive woman. They behave like hungry dogs. When you have primary goals, you should honor them. If this means you must miss out on a date with her occasionally, so be it. This will show her that she cannot distract you from your goals. This will bring her ego down. And she will inherently respect you. Number 5. Never get jealous about other men around her. If she is pretty, other guys will flock around her. It is inevitable. Anytime you show jealousy, it reveals you lack confidence and a better man could come and take her away. Look, if you are not around, it's a free game. And it's up to the woman to deny them and respect you. You should end things with her if she doesn't do this correctly. Jealousy is an emotion, and when she knows she can get you jealous, she knows she has you under her control naturally. This would inflate her ego. Number 6. Reject her. Women can't handle rejection. They aren't rejected nearly as often as men are, which is why they destroy their egos when it happens. Nothing humbles a woman more than demonstrating your value as a man. And when you reject her, she will have no choice but to work harder for your time and attention. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.